Building a computer from scratch, day 17. On day 16, I made a clock. This is very helpful, as I don't have to pulse the clock for changes to happen in my circuits now. Well, I made this. This is a counter. Its purpose will not be needed for a while, but I couldn't resist building it now that I have a clock. It actually shows the clock working very well. When I turn the clock on, you can see with every pulse, the counter goes up in binary. Wait, can it go faster? Are you sure? Okay. Ooh, sorry about that. You may be asking, what is the purpose of the counter? That's a really good question. We haven't really gotten to it yet, but it is for programs. When I'm running a program, this is what determines what line of the program we're going to next. It's quite cool, but for now, we can just stare at its blinky lights. By the way, this counts all the way to 65,535. Well, I hope you guys learned something new. Bye-bye.